Hey guys, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. So as promised in my last video, I'm making a dedicated video on this humidifier. If you haven't checked my previous video on the Be Will initiative of PwC, go check that out. So let's quickly open this outer wrapping of PwC, and then here's the original box. Everything about how to use this product is being mentioned here. I'm sure there will be a user manual inside as well. So let's quickly open it up. Okay, so there I think these colors are available. So this is the user manual and this is the humidifier. Nothing else inside this box, so let's keep it aside. The user manual is in both Chinese and English. I have read it out, so let's keep it aside. So this is the humidifier. This is also a night lamp. I will show you how it looks. So this is plastic, and there is a rubber type of coating below this humidifier, so that it will provide you steady grip. And here is the USB 2.0 point to power it on, and here is a button to control the lights and the mode of humidifier. There is another port. This is a general USB port. You can use this as a extended USB port. For example, you have only one charger, then you can just plug it on, and then with this port you can charge your mobile phones. So that's a good thing actually. So for using this, you have to rotate this and open this up. Then you have to pour some water inside this. Next is just rotate it clockwise and close the lid. And then use this cable that has been provided with this humidifier. I am using a power bank to power it on. You can use a normal USB adapter to power it on. So let's check it out. So I have it powered on. So if you press this button for 3 seconds, it will light up. So this is the night lamp. For humidifier, I just need to press this button once. Just check this out. It looks pretty awesome. This light will keep on changing the color of the light, so that will look great during night time. This is normal, this is not hot, this is normal cold water vapors actually. So let me turn off the other lights of my room so that you will be able to see how it looks. So this is how it looks. We can use a few drop of the essential oils with this water, so it will work as a diffuser. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.